You seen the Limp Bizkit guy do his thing? Wes Borland do his shit with his whammy bear, boy?
His whammy bear?
I don't even have like a crazy reverb on there. kind of understand it on the computer. I kind of understand it when I'm doing shit like that. It makes it sound a bit better. But it's like that's all the memes I see right now is like pretending to understand compression. Pretending to hear compression is like a... But I hear it. It makes it sound worse every time.
Yeah, I take that shit off. Put the muff back on that bitch. Fuck the compressor, put the muff on. The muff is it, actually. You hit the muff once when we're playing a show, you'll be like, oh my god, that's so good. You like lean back on it, it's crazy. It feels so good.
Overdrive is first pedal. That's how I thought shit went, and then I started diving too deep, I think.
Yeah. Don't go too deep to the sun. Don't go too deep to the sun. Yeah, facts, bro. Yeah. Don't go too deep to the sun, bro. I was literally thinking to myself today that the phaser in front of everything might be too deep to the sun. But
in front of everything is crazy.
Yeah.
That's what you have right now?
Yes. But that's why it sounds
it
so
sounds
crazy.
Cool.
Yeah.
But that's why everything sounds so far away, bro.
That's why it's like, whoa.
It's like you're putting your mic here.
Yeah.
As opposed to there. That's the whole reason, like this is something that I think about now when I do everything. It's like, limiter, doof, compressor, and it brings it down, but it's still like...
Yeah, it compacts it.
And then the reverb pushes everything farther away from you.
Well, reverb's like...
It put...